Get ready for an exciting update, drone enthusiasts. DJI's Fly app has just taken flight with some incredible new features, especially for the Neo 2 mini drone. The latest Fly app update, version 1.19.0, is a game-changer, offering full compatibility with the Neo 2 and a whole host of intelligent flight functions that will revolutionize your piloting experience. Imagine capturing stunning selfies with a single tap, controlling your drone with simple gestures, and experimenting with creative modes, all at your fingertips. But here's where it gets controversial. DJI has also introduced freer active track, allowing you to switch tracking directions on the fly. This feature gives creators unprecedented flexibility in framing their shots. Are we witnessing the birth of a new era in drone cinematography? And this is the part most people miss. The Neo 2 is not just a toy. Weighing in at a mere 151 grams, it's a powerful mini drone that packs a punch. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a forward-facing LiDAR sensor, it's one of the safest beginner drones DJI has ever produced. Its camera performance is equally impressive, capturing 4K per 60 frames per second video and offering slow-motion options for those epic moments. The Neo 2's smart selfie and riding follow modes turn it into a personal photographer, tracking runners and cyclists with ease. And the best part? You won't need to register it with the FAA if it weighs under 250 g, making it an ideal recreational drone. However, US customers might have to wait a little longer. While the Neo 2 has passed FCC certification, DJI's ongoing trade challenges could delay its US launch. But with the Fly app update ready, it seems DJI is preparing for takeoff whenever the skies clear. So what do you think? Are these new features a game-changer for drone photography, or just a clever marketing ploy? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other drone-related content and stay tuned for more exciting updates.